back. Today we're gonna be doing November's Boxycharm unboxing. I am so happy that it's November. I love Thanksgiving, and then we're smooth sailing into the holidays and then out of 2020, which is what I need right now, okay? I think we all are done with 2020 at this point. So I am happy that it is November, and I am excited to unbox this month's boxes from Boxycharm. For November, we have the base box, and then we also have the premium box. They're both pretty big this month, actually, the boxes. So I'm very excited to see what is inside. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or new to my Boxycharm unboxings, it's basically a monthly subscription service where they send beauty products right to your door, and they're normally always full-size beauty products, and then depending on the tier of box you get will depend on how many products you get. The base box is $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products versus the premium box. This one's $35 per month, so an additional $10, but you're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty products in this box. So we're gonna see what Boxycharm's got cooking up. Big shout out to them for partnering with me on this video and sending me out these boxes to review for you guys. And I'll have a link as always in my description to Boxycharm that you guys can check out if you're interested, you wanna see what it's all about. Boxycharm is also having a Boxy Beauty Bash, which is basically a month-long savings event this month. It starts with their Boxy pop-up, which they do quarterly, and it's basically a flash sale where things are up to 80% off, which is crazy. So the timing for that is November 9th to November 22nd. They have Milk Makeup, Smashbox, Morphe, Fenty, Tarte, Too Faced, like some really, really good brands. So it'd be great to pick up something for yourself, also for holiday gifts too. It's an incredible time to shop and get up to 80% off. And that is available for members of Boxycharm only. So figured I would let you guys know that as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. All right, so we have Ms. Base Box first. She is much bigger this month than normal, so let's see. Oh, right on top I see a Natasha Denona coupon, 25% off. So that's pretty cool. That's not part of like, you know, the products that you get, just I guess an additional add-on. And it looks like the theme this month is Boxycharm Harvest. Super cute in time of Thanksgiving. All right, let's dig on in here and see what we got. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so the first product that I see right on top is one that I know and that I love. You know, let me move this box so it's not like jumping out at you guys. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow, and it's in my right shade, yay! Okay, so I love the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's basically like a skinny little pencil you can fill your brows in with, but the Gimme Brow is like, kind of like is a tinted brow gel, and the incredible thing about this is that it has the tiniest little precise brush, so you can really get in, I'm gonna like apply it right now, and really like flick it on your brows, instead of going in with this big brush. I feel like when I use brow like gels like this, sometimes the brushes are too big, where this one is perfect. So I have been a fan of this for a very long time. This is really nice to be used on days when you have nothing on your brows as well. If you just want to throw something on, you're not actually gonna sit there and like fill them all in and everything. It's amazing. So let's see the value on this. This is $24. So we're basically already at the price of the box, but that's really, really cool. All right, up next we have from the brand Dr. Brandt. This is the antioxidant spray toner. Okay, cool. I like that it's a spray toner instead of one of those toners that you have to like, you know, put on those little pads. I tried other products from Dr. Brandt in the past that I liked, so we shall see. Scented or anything. Okay. No scent at all, which is nice for skincare specifically. Y'all know I love a good scent, but in my skincare, I do prefer unscented, so that's nice. Oh my gosh, wow, okay, so yeah, the retail on this is $40, so not a cheap product. I'm excited to give this a try and see how it works out. Up next, we have this Becca blac. Never heard of this brand before. Liquid corrector, it says it's vegan and cruelty-free. So is this like a skin like corrector? Like I think so. So I honestly don't use these that much. I'll be completely honest with you guys. Maybe I should, I don't know. I feel like you either swear by color correcting or you don't color correct. I feel like I'm more in the bin of not color correcting. So this says it offers a light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. So I guess it's gonna be, oh yeah. All right, so it is actually a pinky shade. I just put so much on my hand, that was completely unnecessary. But this more like salmon shade is supposed to be really good for neutralizing dark under eye circles. So maybe I should try it and get on, this does feel really smooth and creamy, and get on that like color corrected trend, because honestly, I don't use them that much, but now I have an excuse to use one and try it out. You guys can see how much like a little bit goes a long way. So this is exciting and cool and something to get me to try something a little different. So the value on this is $14.99. Next we have a palette. So this is from Beauty Creations and it says Cali Glow. So is this eye? Oh, okay, we have a highlight palette. I thought this was gonna be an eye palette. These are big pans for highlights, so that's actually really nice. So you get 3 different highlights. I'll do little finger swatches for you guys. Oh wow, these actually look really, really pretty. All right, we need to try like one of these on my face because I can't not. You know, I need to try the highlights, okay? Y'all know me. I do have some highlight on already, but we could always use more. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little mixeroo of all three. Ooh, do you guys see how that like amped up my highlight? This is pretty. I've never heard of this brand before, but I don't hate it. She is looking cute, I like that. Really, really pretty. You get a mirror and you get a lot of product, so I can't complain about this. What is the value on this? Looks like $14.99. Oh wow, okay, so it's a good price too. And then last but not least, we have the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. So this, I guess, is like a serum. I love hyaluronic acid. My dry skin eats it up, so that's exciting. I know I've gotten other things from Boxycharm from this brand before, 111 Skin, but it's not one that I'm super familiar with. Oh my gosh, yeah, but I was gonna say, in the past, I remember their stuff being really expensive, and yeah, the MSRP on this is $135. So that is very, very high. It says it's concentrated hydrating ingredients. So let's put some on my hand and see. I love these little droppers. They're always so fun. Feels nice. Very like smooth on the skin. So that does feel really nice. So we got 3 makeup products and then 2 skincare products in this month's base box. So let's add up the value of everything. Okay, so we have 135 bucks for the serum. We have 40 for the spray toner, 24 for the Benefit Brow Gel. That was probably my favorite product for this month's box. $14.99 for the highlight palette, and then $15 for the corrector, for a total of $228.99 for the base box this month, again for $25. So that's pretty good. All right, now we're gonna move on to Miss Boxycharm Premium and see what is in here. I literally couldn't find my like normal box opener, so I'm using this kitchen knife, and it has like tape and stuff all over it from the packaging. So we're not gonna be using that on our food anytime soon. Not my best idea. All right, so I see right on top of the premium box, we have a pure palette. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. So this is not something that I've tried before. I got shade Fair Light. So let's see. Looks pretty though. Oh, this is beautiful. See, I was a little nervous at first with Fair Light because normally I'm more like medium when I have like my self-tan and everything done, but this looks actually really, really pretty. At first I thought it was gonna be like just setting powder for your face, but it's not at all. So this more yellow shade is great for setting the under eyes. That looks really, really nice actually. Then we have a bronzer shade, pretty little pinky blush, and then this really pretty highlight shade. So this actually looks really nice. And I love little compact palettes like this for when we can, you know, hopefully eventually travel again. Not sure when that'll be, but this is perfect for that. Or even if you're doing like an overnight trip at your friend's house or whatever. I love little face palettes like this where you have everything you need in one place, and nice mirror too. So this is really cute. I feel like this bronzer might be a little light, but everything else looks like it should work. Let's go in with a little and we'll see. Oh no, she's showing up. She's like, no honey, you're Fair Light. It's actually pretty. It has like a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not completely matte, so nice for like all over bronzy glow. And then you could use like a matte shade to contour the cheeks, but this is actually pretty. I like it. Thank you. And the value on that is $32. Okay, next I see a little Miss Dose of Colors. What is this? This says Caffeine Queen. I'm thinking this might be an eyeshadow? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, okay, yes, it is an eyeshadow. Is it like a, ooh, wow. That is deep and dark. That is pretty, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I will be honest, I don't use a ton of like potted shadows like this. Like I'm a more of a palette type of gal when it comes to my eyeshadows, but for specific shades like this that have like that glitter or shimmer to them, I will grab for single shadows for that. So I don't think that this will just go to not being used. And you can also always depot and put into a magnetic palette, which is probably what I'll do. I did that with a lot of my loose shadows from the past. But the shade looks really, really pretty, especially for like vampy kind of fall and winter looks. So the value on that is 20 bucks. Then we have the, Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. So this is another product that I have not tried. From Smashbox. This is so cool. It looks like a camera lens. And then I guess this is just a setting powder for all over the face. It says twist for fresh powder. I'm gonna take this off so we can see how this works because this looks a little different. Oh, wow. Oh my God. So as I twist it, wait, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, so it says customize the amount you need without wasting powder. Yeah, I mean, I put a lot in there because I was just like testing it. I didn't really realize that at first. But that's actually nice. You can like customize how much you need. Let's just go in with like a little bit of this. I don't really need that much. Obviously I'm putting this over like my finished face, which normally you wouldn't do that. You'd do it like before you do blush and highlight and all that, but I wanna try this out. Looks like, I thought the color might be a little light or a little off, but it's just like morphing into my skin really, really nicely. So it should suit a variety of skin tones. So that's nice. 'Cause I always get nervous with like complexion products, just that it's not gonna be the right shade. But so far, Boxycharm has not wronged me. So this looks pretty good and looks like it should work. And of course, I'm sure there are a variety of shades as well. This was the lightest shade in shade 1. So that does not look bad. It does not feel drying on my face. So that's nice. And the value on that is $39. Okay, what do we have next? We have Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Okay, so those are like 2 lip liners. I love lip liners. I actually didn't use one today and I feel like naked. It feels weird. I feel like when I add liner to my lips, they just look a lot better. Like they have like a border, you know? Or when I don't do it, it just looks weird. But okay, so we have 2 shades in here. It looks like a nude and a red. I think I got, it wasn't from this brand, but I also got a lip liner last month from Boxycharm. I'm almost positive. That was also a nude and a red that were really pretty. So this is the nude. Ooh, okay, she's cute. And then we have more of a red shade that is really, really pretty, especially for the holidays. I love to do a red lip. So let's go in with the nude one right now. Might as well test her out a little bit since I don't have any on. I do have lip gloss, so it's probably gonna just like be a little difficult to do this, but we'll try it. Yeah, do you guys see, like just as I add this, it just like adds a border to my lips and I feel like it makes them look like more plump than they actually are. And I like that look. Obviously I need like a little bit more lipstick on to like make everything glide together, but that does not disappoint. It's one of those retractable ones too. So that is really, really nice. This reminds me of the one from NYX that I really like, the NYX Nude Liner. It's like same packaging, retractable like this, and color is really, really nice. Just a few shades deeper than my natural lip tone, which is what I like to go for with my nude liner. So I will definitely get use out of both of those. And the value on that is $25. Then we have Grown Alchemist. Never heard of this brand. Detox Night Cream. Oh, it says Australian certified. So this must be an Australian-based brand? Whoa, this looks interesting. It's like in a little like paint tube or something. So yeah, this is a detox night cream. Let me read exactly like what it says on here. Okay, well, first of all, the MSRP is $125. So this was the month of very expensive skincare products. Oh my goodness, okay. So this is supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and resulting in radiant, youthful looking skin. And it says best use at night. So like after you do your serums and stuff is when you would go in with this. So let me open this a little bit on my hand. Let's see what this feels like. Feels very creamy actually. It has like the, ooh, definitely scented, rose scented, like it reminds me of like a Huda Beauty product, but it's gliding like butter into my hand. So I'm hoping my skin doesn't react to the fragrance and this does my skin some good because I need some goodness for this skin. Oh my gosh, my skin has been horrible because we rejoined the gym, but working out with the mask on and having that sweat like sit on my face has just been a disaster with my skin. So I need all the loving that it can get. So hopefully it likes this product. So that is exciting. And then last but not least, I think we have some brushes. So this is from the brand Cosmetics. And this is actually really cool because these are different than your typical makeup brushes because the one of them is for masks, which I love this. And this has like little ridges in it too, if you guys can see. So that is incredible. So I, for the longest time, would always just apply masks with my fingers. And then one day I was watching a video, I don't even remember who it was, but she was like using a brush to apply the mask. And I was like, why did I never think of that? It's so much cleaner, it's so much easier. And then you're not rubbing your fingers on your face. So I love using little rubber brushes like this to apply my face mask or just any skincare in general. Could be applied with this. And this has like the little ridges on it, which is really nice. And I think the more textured side, you're supposed to focus in like the T-zone, and then you can use the smooth side like on your cheeks, and it helps with like exfoliation and stuff. And then the other brush, it says this is a cleansing brush because if you see, it has like little divots in it, like it's not flat. So this I've never really seen. Like I've obviously seen facial brushes that are like, you know, electronic that like spin, but not like a brush like this. But it says to apply your cleanser and then use this to work the cleanser into your face. So instead of those like, you know, spin brushes that are electric, just like using a regular brush to do so, which I've never done before. So that's actually interesting. I've never seen this. And it might be better if your skin is like too sensitive to use an electric spin brush. Using something like this might be a lot better if you have sensitive skin that you can't use anything like too powerful on. So that's pretty cool. I like the skincare brushes instead of like the mix, because I've gotten a lot of makeup brushes in the past from Boxy. So this is kind of cool to get like more skincare brushes this month. So the value on this little set is $25. All right, so let's add up Boxy Premium and see what the value is. Okay, so the night cream is $125. Oh my goodness gracious. Pricey. $39 for the setting powder from Smashbox. $32 for the Pure Face Palette. Loved that. That was probably my favorite. The Pure Face Palette was probably my favorite in the premium box. We have $25 for the brush set, and then we have $25 for the lip liner set, and then $20 for the Dose of Color eyeshadow single, for a total of $266. So that is everything for my premium box this month. So what do you guys think? Do you like the base box powder this month, or do you like the premium box? But let me know your thoughts down below. Also, if you guys got your boxes already, let me know down below what you got. I would love to hear, and if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, like I said, there'll be a link in the description as always if you want to check it out or learn more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!